I'm finally back. After being sick for 3 weeks, there was only one thing I was craving. Something bright, creamy, and most importantly, easy. Today, we're making a lemon posset with raspberry topping. And I've scaled it down to be the perfect dessert for 2. By the way, it's my new series, Desserts for 2. Hi everyone, I'm Pika, and welcome back to Baker Affair. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm over at the stove. I'm going to be adding the heavy cream to a pot. And the sugar. And then we're going to bring that up to a simmer and simmer it for 3 minutes. And then we're going to take it off the heat and add the lemon juice. Okay, so I have it off the stove. And now I let it cool for a little bit, like a smidge. And I'm going to add lemon juice. That's going to thicken it up and make it nice and smooth. And truth be told, I've never made this recipe before, but okay, so now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I'm going to stir it up. It's nice and smooth, creamy. And now I'm going to pour it in 2 glasses. Now in the refrigerator they go for about 2 hours to overnight, until it sets up, and then I'll make the raspberry deliciousness that's going to go on top. See you back in a little while. Okay, so while those are in the refrigerator, I'm going to work on the raspberry stuff over at the stove. So come follow me. Okay, so I have frozen raspberries in here, and then I'm going to add sugar. And lemon juice. And I'm going to boil it down for about 4 minutes. Okay, so that's all cooked, and I'm going to let it cool off, and then I'm going to top the possets, lemon possets, with this deliciousness. Well, they're out of the refrigerator, and I've topped them with the raspberry, and they look so good, right? Okay, so now I have to try it. Look at that. That is delicious. Right now, it's not fully set up, but it's set up enough. It's like pudding. I could just keep eating it. Want to eat it with me? And thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. As always, remember, new videos every Wednesday. I'm back on track. I'm feeling good. And this is my new series, Desserts for 2, because there's only 2 of us, and I figure maybe there's somebody else that has a boyfriend or a girlfriend and they're just looking for quick desserts. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like. If you'd like, share. And until next Wednesday, ciao.